Chris from Smile back here again with another little tips video, this time all about your air filter. So most commonly, your air filter is going to be on a little bracket here right on the side of your furnace. Could be on the right side, could be on the left side, depends where your ducts are coming down. What's important with filters, the arrow faces the furnace. This is very important. They're designed in a way to go this way. If you put it backwards, it could pop out and get break a lot earlier. So make sure when you are changing them that the arrow is facing the furnace. This is the way they're designed to be. Every 3 months, if you are going to have a filter like this, every 3 months they must be changed. Not 4 months, not 5 months, even if the house isn't, just every 3 months. This is how it should be. This is when they're designed to be replaced. If you do have a bigger filter, this is different. These ones are often designed to be changed every 6 months. There are some filters out there that the manufacturer will tell you they're good for once a year. Personally, I think 6 months is long enough for any type of filter, but it depends on what size you have. But every 3 months or 6 months, please make sure you're changing your filter. I have seen the worst case scenario of what can happen when a filter is not changed, and it can in fact get sucked into the motor and catch on fire and ruin your whole furnace and potentially your house in the process. So please make sure you're changing your filter every few months. They only cost a couple bucks at Home Depot, but it can save your furnace in the long run.